Traders, let's think about the market engineering. So right now here is my mind engineering, and I'm gonna explain that the way of simplicity and the smoothness, so you can use it every single day, every single time, to support your thoughts, emotions, feelings, your opportunities or your ideas. Take profits, stop losses, take profits, take your pick. So let's start. So what was market doing right now here? We break the highs and we break the lows to create the major high and major low. So now we have major high and major low. Following through the patient, what was happening? Now we have to find the minor high and minor low. We have all those equal highs here, and what the price was doing, breaking the highs here, creating the minor high. Following the patient, ding 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 ding, all the way down here, what was happening? Market was breaking previous low and making the minor low. So now we have some kind of structure, idea, information, what is our pack in the heads, even some kind of pattern, at least start of that. So following that, what was happening? The market was pushing all the way back to the minor high. And what was happened? The price get rejected heavily. That is a one thing what this indicate to me. So what is above here, especially between those zones, is fear. So fear is stronger than the greed in the market, what is pushing market higher. Following that, the market is again patient, breaking the lows. And now the thing is getting pretty interesting, because we have some kind of structures in our mind, patterns our mind, disrespecting, respecting. What you see right now is market is respecting highs and disrespecting lows. Following that, what we have, market disrespecting lows, break above it and respecting the lows. So the one thing what this indicator, the pullback is coming. So I have two ideas here how to catch those move. So the first one is exactly the same thing. So now let's gonna zoom in so much we don't see those blue lines anymore, what is above here. We're gonna zoom in here, and now what is happening? We have our major high and major low. We're gonna twist it a little bit. And what is happening right now? What was happening here? We have those highs here, and soon as when the market was back here, let's zoom in, we get rejected and break previous lows. So what we have now? We have now the minor high and minor low. And what you see next, the price is going all the way back up. What was happening? Rejection, strong one. Price is respecting the highs again, exactly what was happening in the previous structures. And now following that, ding 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 ding, we have this healthy impulse candlestick body close under previous low, exactly what was happening here. So the idea right now, what will be, is you wait the retest back to the lows. That's your entry point, stop loss last candlestick wick high, and take profit. Your rejection low, major one. So the other thing is, before the entry point, what you can think more to support your thoughts is thinking about those zones. So what we see, high zone, and here we have high zone. And now if you box it in, you get box like that. And now low zone, and low zone. And if you box that in, you get the box like that. So what is happening between the fear and greed? So what you're gonna see right now is how the greediness is pushing closer and closer and closer of the fear. What is here? So this is pushing bam 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 closer. You wanna ding ding, wanna push the higher. But right now what you see, how the price is respecting the highs this one is so strong here. There's gonna be points where it's gonna be the weakness, and then this is gonna be doing that. If you think those are the magnets, and that's the equilibrium here, or the meeting point of the plus and minus, you can think about loads of principles there. And what was happening, what the fear was doing, it was breaking the lows with nice, clean, healthy candlestick body. Exactly what they say here. And following that, your entry point, stop loss, and here was your take profit. And now I have the second one. The second opportunity or way to look is, if you're gonna delete these ones, I'm gonna delete these ones too, is understanding everything is same right now. And now what was happening, the price action was breaking the lows. Now we know the pullback is coming. So the one idea behind it can be to find the previous structure, the best place to go long, to find the long position, the place for that. And the idea behind it is, so right now is this momentum zone here. That's the momentum zone. That's the best place to price action go back to the highs. Momentum is push higher, principle is to break, retest, and going higher. So right now we have the idea here to looking sell opportunities. So what we want to see is the rejection of that zone. Now if we bring this zone here, so what you're gonna see, the first touch, the first rejection, what was happening, the price was breaking the lows. So the one idea after that can be, you're gonna wait the retest, patient again. When you retest your entry point, your stop loss gonna be the last week high, and your take profit gonna be same. So that's the other opportunity, and the other way how to look the same movements, but on the different angle, on the different engineering points. And we have inside that principle, we have another one. If you're going to delete this one, what was happening, we get rejected and rejected. We have double rejection here, same low point. Now we break it, and we're going to do the same principle. Retest, stop loss there, take profit here, and you can do the same trade. Risk reward ratio is a bit different between the other ones. So the overall, what was happening, the price was respecting the highs and breaking the lows. Overall, the foundation stone where you stand is price is holding highs and the price is breaking the lows. Most likely you start looking the sell opportunities, and the best place to look the sell opportunities is where we're gonna disrespect the buy opportunities. That's why the price is pushing back all the way those places, because the greediness pushing higher and the fear is gonna smash it. And what is happening, the price is giving up. All this greediness, what was happening and what was market creating before, this is your trade. That's your take profit. Start here and all the way back here. And overall, if you're looking a little bit more closer, what you can see here, we have the Paris one sec. We have the Paris pattern here with respecting the principle, a little bit more details, and through that then you have feelings, then you have thoughts, then you have your own opportunities, and that's how you're able to think about the market engineering. So the other thing is, now if you're following the principles and engineering, and let's say you are in that moment, it's open position, let's say no take profits. So now what you see is the market is breaking nicely. let's say you want to hold that trade even a little bit more. So how we can do it? Let's zoom in here. So what was happening? The market is pushing lows, breaking the major low, and now the market is pushing back highs. So this high was breaking this high. So now we have the minor high, and ding, 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 all the way down here. This candlestick body was breaking all those lows. Now we have the minor low and minor high. So this minor high, the idea is to push higher. This major low, idea is to push lower. And now it's the same thing, because we are super inside the structure. We can do the same thing. Where is the best place market to go higher? Inside here. That's the best place to go higher. Idea, the momentum is to push higher. Principle is to push higher. Oh, sorry. One sec. This one. Break, retest, go higher. And what we see here, ding, 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 market get rejected. Again, market was respecting the high. So now we create this high here, and we create this low here. Market was breaking the previous low, create the new low. Market was breaking the lows again, respecting the highs again, respecting the low again, and going. Here we have like super crazy market behavior there, very volatile. If you are patient, waiting and looking, and don't force your thoughts and thinkings, there is no problem able to hold that trade all the way wherever you want to hold. Now one thing for the extra here is, because we have this one here too, and this one. So now we have very interesting point here. When something is pushing higher and something pushing lower, we have there very interesting force. And right now, this force is gonna play out in the future. And I wanna say you something right now. As soon as when we go now all the way in the future here, ding, 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 I wanna show you something. What is happening here? We have those lows. Market get rejected, and now market is break above it, retest it, respect it, now breaking the highs, going above it, retest it and respect it, and going all the way highs. So there was very good opportunities to take scalping opportunities. And this is already the current market price. Right now everything looks super fine, holding. So in the future, well, in the current time, soon you can see what's going on there. And that's the engineering, that's the simplicity behind it. If you found it interesting, like I said, you can use it the same kind of thinking every single day, every single time, to support your own thoughts and thinkings. And when they reach the point to take action or opportunities, there is your own opportunities too, and you have to understand to take those opportunities. It is the real trading, to actually take those opportunities, and that's how you can make a good profit. It's like thinking all the time and have a patience to realize first where we're going, to realize first what is the noise, to realize first what is the manipulation, and then you're patient, you wait the information, you don't force it, you just look what the price action is doing, and you're following and you're doing that, do it, and then there is going to be the point of opportunity where you have already all the information and it's time to take action. So if you like it, it's free information. Go and take backtesting, think about that, write it down, and try to make it muscle memory. Thank you every single one, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Ciao.